Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Dome Light Dodge Ram Easy Guide. Start by disconnecting the battery and removing the dome trim with a trim tool to avoid scratches. Locate the mounting screws and use a 10 mm socket to loosen them carefully. Remove the old bulb or assembly and test the replacement before sealing everything back. Reinstall screws and trim, then reconnect the battery and confirm the dome light functions correctly. Carefully remove the old dome light assembly by first prying the trim with a trim tool, then unscrewing the bolts with a 10 mm socket. Keep bolts and clips in a small container so they do not get lost during reassembly. When disconnecting the wiring harness, press the release tab to avoid breaking the connector. Inspect the socket and wires for corrosion or damage before proceeding to install the new bulb or assembly. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more handy vehicle tips. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and voice help right into your garage while you work, and it's compact enough to sit on a shelf without taking space. It pairs nicely with repair playlists and hands-free timers. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Install the new dome light assembly by first testing the bulb or LED with the connector to ensure it lights. If the test is successful, position the assembly and reconnect the wiring harness until you hear a click. Secure the mounting bolts with the 10 mm socket, tightening until snug but not over-tightened to avoid stripping. Finally, snap the trim back into place, wipe any fingerprints with a soft cloth, and test the light function one final time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.